everybody. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World. That's a nice one. And the Off Good Project. The last beautiful day of the year. Look at this water. Isn't it amazing here? Lake Huron up north. Just amazing. We're picking up stones. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's pretty too. Picking up stones and enjoying a 71-degree day. And in a couple days, it's going to be bitter cold, and we're going to be running the wood stove. It's funny. What? Oh, there's one. That is pretty. So we're just going to enjoy the weather while we got it today. It's so pretty and peaceful. Can you believe it? This is October 19th in Michigan. We're all getting our feet wet. It's cold, but not like October cold. We've had a very hot summer, late start to the season, but now we're getting our payback because the water's not too bad yet. I got some beach glass. That's a pretty unique color there, red and green. We're just picking up some rocks and enjoying the last opportunity to get our feet wet. It's just so pretty today. It's unbelievable. Look at that. We're all rock freaks. Oh, there, look at the color. Wait a minute. Turn that off. Rock on there. Look at the color on that. And look at that. In winter, I'll be able to work on cutting and polishing and wire tying some pretty rocks, maybe making some jewelry. I'm going to experiment in winter. I hope to get my workshop done. Right now, wood is a priority. I don't cut firewood though on a warmer day. It's just too hot. I mean, actually, we're sweating at times today. Not with your feet in the water, but oh, that was a fossil and I dropped it. There it is. If you miss something out here, it's gone. That was a fossil. There it is. It's nothing spectacular, but there's some cell structures in there of some old coral type animals. My brain stopped. Maybe it's the cold on my feet getting to my brain. Anyway, we're just enjoying a beautiful time, and we're looking for unique. Look at that. Look at the patterns in that stone. It's just so cool. I don't know what I'll do with them, but I'll take them home and figure something out in the winter. This will give us something to do. There's one with just some pretty colors. Look at the colors. Wow. That's pretty. Oh, what a day. Well, guys, I got some unique things. Oh, wait, that's not the one I was grabbing. Yeah, it is. That could be a crinoid head, because you got the radiating stems coming out from a central point. It could be, because it radiates out from a central point. That could be a crinoid head. Here is just something absolutely beautiful. Look at the patterns in that thing. That's so pretty. I got another one like it. Look at the patterns in that. Look at that. It's so pretty. And then I got some corals, nicely rounded. There's another bunch of little fossils in that. So we had a beautiful day here. It's getting choppy, it's getting windy, and the shadows are getting long. We gotta get back home. This will be a brief video, but it's a brief part of our day, but a beautiful part. Michelle is loving it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Please do like this video, leave a comment below, subscribe if you haven't, and let's see what tomorrow brings.